Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Hola.
Bueno, bueno.
Oh. It's all good until I see a spider. Then I'm not so good.
So far, so good?
So far, so good.
It gets a little bit more grown over. But the trail is like this the whole way.
It's okay. Let's go. Let's go fast.
Lots of butterflies.
Mosquitoes. No, I don't like this.
We could go back anytime.
Okay, I'm not liking you right
Okay.
now. Okay, I'm running.
Okay. In which direction?
I got bit by a snake, man. Ah! Seriously. Did you have black snake?
I saw the end of it going up. I didn't, like I saw how big it was, like a circumference. I didn't see how long it was.
Big snakes jumping out at us.
So what did you figure out for us here?
500 pesos on the rescue boat. Like, I'm not going back to the jungle though for nothing. You can go, I'll meet you at the house. Bye.
And now we leave the Oregano Beach. Again, gracias, Uriel, capitaine extraordinaire. just coming back to shore here after being rescued on Organo Beach. And we got a little bonus out of it, eh?
What?
We got the end of their boat trip. We were the boat crashers in the end.
You're welcome.
She's still alive. She did not get caught by the snake. Gracias, Keri.
Ok.
Thank you.
Enchanté.
Merci.
À bientôt.
À bientôt, oui.
Je sais jamais.
Au revoir.